Regulators!
Why don't you give a little backstory of what's happening here, man?
So after the recent flooding, we have down at the cabin, one of our bridges actually got messed up a little bit. And we actually had to leave it because we don't want to mess up any of our trails. So finally, it's nice out, the trails are dried up a little bit. We're actually fixing it. And it's been there for so long, it's actually eating the bank away, the water has. So we're adding on to the bridge a little bit as well.
Oh, cool, cool. Yeah, guys, this is what's happening before the big ride today. So I just thought it'd be kind of cool to show.
Yep.
Got splattered.
You sprayed us.
Regulators!
Danny, boy, you gotta go pull him up, buddy.
The regulators! Damn it, I had to drive a fucking gear. Son of a bitch. Hey, I had the fucking second gear. I should have.
Shot here.
That's a cakewalk there. That's a pretty good one. That's a cakewalk there. That's a pretty good one.
Danny was trying it.
Regulators! So it's too soft.
Now with a new one. Remember we have do it today.
It's happening today, buddy.
No problem.
You got it.